do yoga from home, and I am a former personal trainer. And some of the moves I know might be difficult for people to get into. Some people might be intimidated by some of the bodies that are typically maybe slender or more flexible, and they might be intimidated by what they see and might not want to do some yoga. So I'm going to show you a move that is typical in yoga, and then I'm going to show you a move to modify. So this will be me going from down dog position into plank into cobra, and then I'm going to show the modification. Down dog. Now, everybody might not have the strength to get into down dog because that is a lot of upper body. So if you are at home practicing to get into that, what you could do is stay on all fours, like so. So the yoga instructor says, get into down dog. Stay here. Be okay with modification. And then the yoga instructor says, go into plank. You shift your hips forward to a modified plank. Then the yoga instructor says, go down to the floor. Lower yourself down, untuck your toes, push into cobra. Now, let's say you do have the upper body strength for a down dog, but you might need a little assistance. Take your blocks, put them right here. Use your hands. It lifts you up a little bit higher. Plant your feet and push down. It helps just a little bit, and your feet might get down just a little bit more. Now, there is a move where they do a down dog step through. So it goes like this. Down, step. That requires a lot of biomechanics and strength and core and hip flexibility. So it goes here. You got to pick up in here. Now, everybody doesn't have that hip flexibility or the core strength. So how you can practice that? Blocks. Practice. Practice. Repetition until you get your core strength. And then go to a lower setting. And keep going lower until your body